The best thing about a good sous vide machine is that it will cook food at a precise temperature to always give you excellent results. In today's video, we considered features, quality, and value to bring you our list of the top 7 best sous vide machines available now. Let's get started. Number 7. Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide Machine. We like that the Greater Goods Kitchen Sous Vide is an affordable, easy-to-use, and reliable option for anyone looking to get into sous vide cooking. First, the packaging of the Greater Goods kitchen machine is very nice, and the machine itself comes with a money-back guarantee. This is a great feature for those who are unsure about investing in sous vide styles of cooking. The 1100-watt brushless motor is powerful and quiet, making it perfect for those who don't want to be disturbed by loud noises. It also features a digital display that's easy to read and easy to use. With a simple and intuitive interface, you can easily set the temperature and timer with the turn of a knob. Number 6. Inkbird Sous Vide Precision Cooker ISV 100-watt. The Inkbird Sous Vide Precision Cooker ISV 100-watt is another affordable sous vide machine that is perfect for the home chef. This machine is equipped with 1,000 watts of power, a stainless steel body, and a digital panel for easy temperature control. We like that the machine also has a low noise level of under 40 dB at 1 meter, making it perfect for quieter kitchens. The Inkbird also has a convenient clamp that allows you to attach the machine to a suitable pot or container easily. The temperature range is between 77 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit, and the machine also has a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, so you can control it from your smartphone or tablet. The Inkbird Sous Vide Precision Cooker ISV 100-watt also has a low water level protection feature that will shut off the machine if the water level gets too low. Overall, this machine has a lot going for it. With a good selection of features and capabilities, it's an easy and worry-free way to create delicious meals. Number 5. Instant Accu Slim Sous Vide 800-watt Precision Cooker. From the makers of Instant Pots, the Instant Accu Slim Sous Vide 800-watt Precision Cooker is a powerful machine that can heat up quickly and cook food evenly. This lightweight stainless steel cooker is designed with a non-slip rubber-coated handle, making it easy to clip to any container with one hand. The sous vide machine is also incredibly easy to use with its simple touchscreen display. It also has an easy timer and a built-in temperature alarm that will alert you when the desired temperature is reached. The machine's built-in circulator ensures that the water is evenly heated throughout the container, so you don't have to worry about uneven cooking. If you're looking for a sous vide machine that will help you create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own home, then the Instant Accu Slim Sous Vide 800-watt Precision Cooker is a very good choice. Number 4. Anova Culinary AN500-US00 Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Anova Culinary AN500-US00 Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a great choice for anyone looking to take their cooking to the next level. This machine is incredibly easy to use and comes with a digital display that allows you to easily set the temperature and time for your desired cooking results. The machine also comes with a powerful 1,000-watt heating element that ensures that the water is heated quickly and evenly. It also has Wi-Fi capability, so you can control it via a dedicated app using your smartphone or tablet. This makes it easy to adjust the temperature and time settings from anywhere in the house. The Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker is also designed to be water-resistant with an IPX7 rating, and the easily removable housing is also dishwasher safe. We also like that this sous vide precision cooker also comes with safety features like an auto shutoff feature that will turn the machine off if it detects that the water has reached a certain temperature. This helps to prevent any potential accidents from occurring. Additionally, the machine also comes with a built-in timer that will alert you when your food is done cooking. Number 3. Imersa Elite Sous Vide Cooker. The Imersa Elite machine features a powerful pump that circulates water at a precise temperature. It features a folding design that helps prevent steam damage to the electronics for a longer product life. This machine has a large oversized display that is a pleasure to use, and also has an app-enabled interface. These features make it easy to monitor and adjust the temperature and time settings to keep track of the cooking process. Additionally, it has some nice features like a water level protection system that passes European IP68 safety requirements, as well as an IPX7 water resistant rating. With its powerful pump and app-enabled interface, the Imersa Elite is a great option for any present or future sous vide enthusiast. Number 2. KitchenBoss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker. This sous vide machine comes with a stainless steel design with low noise operation. The IPX7 waterproof rating makes it safe from splashes and dampness, and the 1100 watts of power ensures that it heats quickly and quietly. The KitchenBoss has a heavy-duty clamp that's easy to fasten on the container. It's also Wi-Fi compatible, allowing you to monitor and control the cooking process in real time with notifications. We particularly enjoy the full-color display on the unit itself, and how it makes it easy to see what's going on. It even has a chef's menu built in. The KitchenBoss also features TFT touchscreen controls, which make it easy to adjust the temperature and timer settings. The machine has a temperature range of 104 to 194 degrees, and it has an automatic shutoff when the timer is complete, so you don't have to worry about overcooking your food. With all these features, the KitchenBoss Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker is an excellent machine for any home chef looking to take their cooking to the next level. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. We like the Anova Culinary Precision Cooker Pro because it's a powerful and reliable sous vide machine that can help you achieve excellent results. The standout feature of this machine is its 1200 watt design, which is suitable for large containers and can actually heat up to 100 liters of water. This makes it perfect for those who want to cook large batches of food at once. The cooker features a digital display that's simple and easy to use, as well as built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Using the Anova Precision Cooker Pro is easy. Simply attach it to your own pot or container, fill the pot or container with water, add your food in a sealed bag, and cook manually with the built-in controls or with the Anova app. It's also constructed of stainless steel and is IPX7 rated to boot. With a machine that has easy-to-use features, high power, and large volume capability, you can be sure that you'll be able to create many delicious meals with ease. Still need a little more help deciding on the best sous vide machine for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.